if I come in with this, it's going to bring in graphite. I don't want the graphite to carry into my blue and gray it out. So there is a way to clean this. There's several ways. It depends on how dirty your blender is. One way, if it's not too dirty, let's see where this one's at, is to simply take your kneaded eraser and roll it around. If it's a real dirty stump, this will not work. But if it's not very used, this tends to be very quick and easy. Let's see how that did. Yeah, see, that one took it off pretty well. Let me take one that's dirtier. See the tip on this? That is pretty bad. Now, an easy way to clean these off is by using a piece of, if you have just a piece of flat sandpaper, you can lay that down. Or at the artist supply store, any craft store, you can find these sanding tools that artists use. We use them for pencils, we use them for charcoal, we use them for so many things. But they also work well for blenders. So you simply roll and rub your blending stump on this. A nail file will work too if it's a coarse, gritty side of your nail file. That can work too. You just have to play with it. It also depends on how tightly your blending stumps are wrapped. The quality of a blending stump makes a difference as well. Okay, so now with this, let's just see how clean we got it. We got it pretty clean. Now, if I want to bring the point back, I can take an X-Acto knife. Be careful. Make sure it's going away from you. And just simply, I really should be working on my craft pad, but I don't have it handy right now. And just simply roll the tortillon and bring back that tip just ever so slightly, pressing down and shaving off the edge so that you get a nice sharp tip back. So that's just another way. See how clean it is? Ready to go. And you know how dirty it was. So those are just two quick ways to extend the life of your blenders.